and welcome back to another video. If it is your first time here, my name is Momoyo Karaoke, also known as Dizzy Mama. I can't believe I did the very first video of 2023 and I never said Happy New Year to you guys. Nisameheni. Happy New Year, and I hope you did cross into 2023 with your throttle well in hand, safe and sound, and you're enjoying the rides this 2023. In the previous video that I'm talking about, which I'm linking up here, I did the specs of this particular device. It's a Bluetooth device, M1 Motowolf Bluetooth device, and in today's video, we are going to be installing it on a helmet for our very first customer. So enjoy it. I'm doing this installation on a helmet that has removable paddings, which makes it very easy to install and faster. On a separate video, I will try to do an installation on those helmets that have no removable paddings. But for now, let's do this. So the first thing you do, you remove the cheek paddings, both sides, because the speakers actually go behind there. There's a provision that comes with the helmet, that one, for the speakers, so that when you install them, they also don't press on your ears.
Every day I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no.
You also need to remove the chin shield so that you have good access to the side, and then now remove the back part of the padding because the cabling will now lie behind there. So once you do that, it's ready for installation. You now open your M1 Motowolf Bluetooth. That is your charging cable, and it's long enough so it offers you the flexibility of being able to charge in different places depending on the space you have. It is also the Android charging cable, so if you lose this one, I'm sure it's very easy to find in the shops. This is the Bluetooth device, and those are the two speakers. So when you're placing them on the helmet, you have to remember to position your mic on the side that you don't really need to use your hand. For me, it is always my clutch side, which is my left hand, because I can easily let go the handlebars on that side and be able to access the Bluetooth should I need to switch it off, should I need to switch it on in case I forgot. That is how you plug in. And that cable also, when you're installing, you need to make sure that it's easily accessible for you to plug in for charging. It comes with these two stickers for holding the speakers on the helmet, and you have two extra ones. So if you have two helmets, you can actually put the stickers on both helmets, and you can shift the Bluetooth if you want, though that will not be something that you can do in the morning when you want to take a ride. Make sure you clean up any dust that could be there before you put the adhesive tape. That's how it does actually attach. It has a Velcro kind of a finish. Peel it off, attach on one side, make sure it's tight nicely, allow time for it to attach properly. Do the same on the other side, and there you go. Take the device now. Remember what we said about ensuring that you have your mic on the side, that you are comfortable letting go the handlebars to be able to make any adjustments if needed. So fix the first speaker on that side, then run the cable behind the padding on the back. the cable is too long, you can fold it, hide it nicely and neatly behind there, and then take the other speaker and attach it on the other side. Clip back the padding to securely hold the cable, as well as you need that padding back. From there, position the mic and position the charging part of the cable properly, and now you can return your paddings, your cheek paddings. Make sure you put them back properly. It is important that you fit back your paddings properly, otherwise when you're riding they will be uncomfortable. And once that is done, you have now set up your helmet into a communication center. You can receive all your calls, and you have also made your helmet an entertainment center. As you fix the Bluetooth headset to your helmet, easy peasy, and you're off to go. I've tested, I've listened to it. You can actually hear the quality of the sound is very good. It's not loud. It's not those ones that feel like they're screaming on your ears, which is a plus because it's going to be on your ears all through, and you don't want a call to come in and no. Welcome. I'm leaving the details. If you would like to get yourself this Bluetooth set box, our number and our location, so that you can either call us or you can also visit us and see it yourself. Otherwise, we do deliver if you're not in Nairobi or you're not in a position to come. And be safe on the road. Having said that, it's a goodbye from me and a welcome as well for you to come and get yourself a piece of this amazing set for your helmet. Convert your helmet to an entertainment center as well as a communication center, and be safe on the road. If you have more questions regarding this Bluetooth, let me know in the comment section down below. See you in the next video.